I don't know how it goes, so I'm just going to get right to it.
After reviewing the footage, I realized that what we were showing was completely out of the shot. Enjoy just looking at our bodies.
Here's the bread. Okay. It's only just the first time, so I'll just put 2. No, I just only just 1. If it's very delicious, then I'll go for 2. Put some chicken on it, vegan chicken on it, chicken on it. Alright. Smells. Ooh, the upside's the best. Okay, cool. You know what? Let's put 2. Fuck it. I got 2 on it. It's the cookie in the You're welcome. Loving it, loving it, loving it.
Don't eat in my hair.
Got the chocolate syrup in your hair. Yeah. We would remember each and every food in pots on your body. Not that way. You're sick. Oh, I was about to say give me the juice, but I guess the juice is already filled.
Alright.
Right. So this is the part when I take a bite. First bite. It's actually really good. Oh my gosh, it's actually nice.
Oh my god.
It's actually kind of satisfying if you kind of think about it. Oh, look at how it spreads and shit. Pretty sure I'm going to be doing that for my snack time every time I come home. Oh gosh, yo. Thank you, xiao. So good. I like it. Happy Veganary Month.